It's race day! Let's get excited! It's race day! Woohoo! Just be careful throwing that over there. People are driving. Oh, okay. Come on, puppy. Oh, she's so cute. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We are here actually at Summit Point Raceway for a Drift Nirvana event. This is the first drift event for me this year. I'm really excited. It's colder than I thought it was going to be, but I'm really excited. We got the BMW here. We got our new bushings, new tires, new wheels. We got the whole gang here. We got Matt, Speedy, and Elliot. We're gonna do drift car things. So I haven't done one of these events before. We just got done with Tech and she passed. Drivers meeting will be up here shortly and that'll be really fun, I guess. I don't really know what to expect, but I'm really excited to be here and to see what we're drifting here. We're drifting at the Shenandoah circuit for today. And we also have the skid pad right here for practice or warming up if I need it, because it's been like 6 months since I'd been sideways and I got a whole new setup. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm really excited. Yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. So we started off the morning just warming up with some donuts, some figure eights, kind of like learning the tire pressures.
You
making
do
fun of me.
Hi.
Sometimes it's really hard making videos with your friends. I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, I had to relearn kind of like the tire pressures, the tires, and new wheel setup. My rears are definitely scraping a lot when it's like squatting. I'm sure because not only the tires and wheels are wider, but the fact that the suspension is so soft that it just like sits and gets, and either I need to go with like some skinnier tires or roll my fenders or something, but right now they're definitely rubbing a lot for this event. I'm probably not gonna be super worried about it, but I'm gonna go ahead and go out and try one of the big tracks. I'm gonna just go like normal through and then maybe go a few turns here and there and try to like drift it a little bit. There are a ton of really awesome, talented people here that are drifting and having a ton of fun, and that's really cool to see. So yeah, we're gonna go and get on the big track now, or at least try. Is it time? It's time. about halfway through the day. It's just about to be lunchtime. And we've done mostly donuts and figure eights, and we've done the main track a couple of times. We had some coolant come up from the overflow, but it tends to be fine. The power steering reservoir was overflowed, so some of that was coming out also, but that'll be fine. We're letting her overall cool off right now. BMW is running perfect. Now, last time I was drifting, all y'all know that I was having a ton of issues with the Achilles. So today we have the BF Goodrich G-Sport or G-Force Sport Comp 2, and these are so much better. Like, these are the fronts, got lots of life left, lots of grip for more events. And then for the rear, the only thing about the rear is I think I got too meaty of a tire, so when it squats and I'm really getting on it, it just kind of shreds up. In here, in my fender, you can see, so this is wearing down a little bit more than I would like to. Like, this is probably what's gonna keep me from driving on these much longer. But yeah, like, these look great. It's been a half a day. I still have lots of life left, looks like, except for this. So overall, I'm so much happier with the BF Goodrich tires, the G-Force Sport Comp 2. They're lasting much longer. They're a lot more consistent, so I can really feel and learn out my car so I can get better sooner. I guess we're gonna have to call it quits for today. Did a few more laps in the early afternoon, and my BMW was leaking power steering fluid. I think I had overfilled it, but now it's just kind of exploded and covered like all of this, the whole engine bay, with power steering fluid, and it's coming from underneath the reservoir, so the power steering lines themselves have started to go bad, and I have them. I just haven't been able to replace them yet because I need a special BMW tool, but I'm gonna call it quits here. Like, I can still drive the car safely. I'll be able to get it home. And yeah, I got a full days of drifting. I didn't get a full day's worth of drifting, but I got so much experience. I learned so much today on my consistent BF Goodrich tires. I felt so much better in my car after the new bushings. It's so much more responsive. It doesn't like, what's the word? I guess it's not as clunky. Like, it's just a lot more stiff, a lot more planted, and responds to my inputs more with the Condor Speed Shop bushings and my consistent tires on. So overall, I'm really, really happy. But, you know, unfortunately, we gotta stop for today and have it fixed throughout this next week and be ready for the next event. Walk it out, walk it out, walk it out. This is cool. Get to see a little bit of everything. Hey guys, I ended up not having an outro that was recorded for this video, but I'm here editing it now, and I just want to say thank you so much for tuning into this video. I had so much fun this day while drifting. I learned so much going onto a big track and being surrounded by other people to help guide me, and I'm just so thankful to be able to learn and finally have consistency with my wheels and tires, and soon to be my suspension setup. But thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. I know I haven't posted consistently in a little while. I have a lot going on. I have a few more videos to get out for you. And again, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I always love sharing my new journeys with you and my experiences and my spin outs and everything in between. But I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.